Hello everyone, and welcome to the 5th day of Nailmas. And don't forget to please like and subscribe for more videos. In today's tutorial, we are actually going to make sort of a 3D ornament, tree ornament, I guess. Again, I'm going with light and dark blue. Everything I'm using will be listed in the description box below. I'm going to start with the upper bow of the ornament, and I'm using my pencil and kind of sketching it out to scale so that it looks proper on the nail. And I'm going for just a normal bow, and I actually also have this on my ring finger in pink. So I'm just going to sketch out my bow, and then I will fill the entire sketch in with the light blue, and then I will cure that in my lamp for 60 seconds. And now that that is cured, I'm going to take a little bit of this dark blue. It's called Velvet Cape. It's by Nail Innovations. And I'm going to sort of fill in that little opening at the top of the bow. I leave just like a little space of blue because I want it to look more 3D than, you know, your average bow drawing. So now I am just sort of shading the outside and giving it a little more dimension. Also the lower corners, and I have a little bit of base coat, and I kind of use that to blend it out, sort of like shading, if you will. And I'm going to shade my whole bow, and when I'm happy with that, I will cure it for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. And now that that is cured, I'm going to take a little bit of black gel paint, and I'm going to thinly outline and finish off the bow, and then I will also cure that for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. And now that the bow is complete, I'm going to cover the entire nail in no.wipe top coat, and I'm actually going to use these beautiful bluish teal caviar beads, and I'm going to individually place them above the bow to represent that sort of hanging string that an ornament has. And once I have them all placed, I will cure it for 60 seconds in my LED lamp. Okay, so while I'm waiting for that to cure, I'm just going to show you guys the other things I have. I'm going to use the Venalisa nail glue, and I have two different tones of blue horse eye crystals. One's more like a teal blue, one is more like a powder blue. And now I'm going to take a dotting tool with some of the nail glue, and I'm going to do the first layer in like one color. So I'm going to take some of this on my dotting tool and I'm going to apply it to the nail in the circumference that I want my ornament ball to be. And now I'm going to lay the crystals down on their sides so that they're all facing outwards, and I'm going to create sort of like a ring. And once that ring is complete, I will cure it for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. Now that that layer is cured, I'm going to take some more of the Venalisa nail glue and I'm going to fill the inside of the ring, and I'm going to do the second layer in the different color blue, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just sort of creating a ring on top of a ring, and then I will finish it off with one single one going straight down in the top. Once I have those in place, I will cure those for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. It's so pretty, I love it. And while I'm waiting for that to cure, I'm going to take some no.wipe top coat, and I have some silver caviar beads, and I'm going to drop the beads in the no.wipe top coat. So I'm essentially coating them completely. And in doing this, it will help them stay and not be sticky at the same time. So I'm going to pick them up individually, and I'm going to sort of, sounds funny, but I'm going to sort of drop them in like the crotch of each stone. So where each stone meets, it's going to have a little dot. It kind of reminds me like a cushioned ball, I guess. Like I've seen like flower balls done like this where they have a nice little bead in between, or like a cushion pattern sort of thing. So I'm going to apply those and cure it fully for 60 seconds and we will be finished. Alright, so there is the 3D Christmas ornament all finished. I hope you all enjoyed that tutorial, and I hope you all stay jazzy.